Look, this camera has 3 wires passing through it. Am I just bored and have nothing to do? Of course not. Wearing leather pants. Let me explain. First, this 2-core cable is the power cable to power the camera. The other is a 4-core wire. This cable goes to the adjacent position, used to connect a separate microphone. It's this kind of bun-shaped device. The last one is the network cable. Let's talk about it.
The installation of this high-end custom camera.
First, install the base. Note that if it's a gypsum board ceiling, you can use the original screw. It's not just an expansion tube screw. Screwing directly into the gypsum board is also good. Ordinary people fix the base with 3 screws. Handsome guys use for screws. Make the network cable's crystal head. The camera has a fall prevention chain. Hang it on the base. We can quietly connect the wires. Install the anti-pull cap on the crystal head.
The one next to it is the power input terminal.
Distinguish the positive and negative. After connecting, you will find that there is a 12-volt terminal. This is the power output. After we connected the power cable, this terminal will also have power. It's similar to a loop-through effect. We use it to power the quartz device. The 4-core cable is divided into connect the positive and negative. The tail line of the camera is the audio input. We directly connect to pin 1. There is a blue and a gray one left from the 4-core cable. In layman's, we can say that the blue one is connected to the core, and the gray one to the audio input point skin, which is G and D. Now the cable is connected.
Of course, the camera has many other interfaces,
such as alarm input and output, and 485 and audio loopback, etc. Which paid content. Send me a private message and send me to Caddies. I'll explain in detail. I won't go into details after all the wires are connected. All nailed in. Just push it into the ceiling. Fasten the base. Tighten the anti-tamper screw. After the camera is installed, we'll install the microphone. The 4-core cable comes from the camera, but the microphone has only 3 wires. How should we connect them? There is a rule for wiring. Don't remember the color, because the wiring of many devices are different in color. If you memorize it blindly, it's likely that after connecting,
the device will emit a wisp of smoke.
The red wire of this quartz crystal is power, so we connect the 4-core power supply. The blue line of the quartz is the audio core, so we connect it to the audio input core of the camera. Finally, the microphone has a ground wire, twisted with the remaining 2 of the 4-core cable, which is equivalent to the power and audio ground. Share a ground. Is this easy to understand? It doesn't matter if you don't. I can explain this principle in more detail later. Of course, this knowledge requires 3 caddies of salted eggs. Fix the screw, like this. The monitoring of the external pickup is installed. In fact, installing this monitoring system is easy. But shooting, editing, adding text, and syncing audio, each step is very tedious and troublesome. It's like installing 10 cameras. So it's really unreasonable not to like it. You decide.